Hey everyone, Rod from Taylor Racing, and it is time for the next video. That's right, we're going to do something a little different. I've had a few of you guys ask me about reconditioning some superbikes, right? Some race bikes, like upgrades or just rebuilding them or just doing them a makeover kind of thing. So we're going to do a makeover. That's right. So luckily, just so happens, you know, I know you guys aren't going to believe this, but just happen to have a track bike down here in Texas. That's right, you know? And I did not build this bike, so gives me a perfect opportunity to give you guys what you want. That's right, me. More of me. No, wait, hold on. A makeover. I should get a makeover maybe, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, anyways, I diverse. Anyways, so we're going to do this. We've procured a Ducati, shocker, V2 Panigale track bike, an X-track bike, and we're gonna update it. We're gonna give it a little more je ne sais quoi, Taylor Racing, yada yada yada. And I apologize for the noise. We had to come pick up this bike, and we're next to a major road, right? So that's the noise in the background. Maybe I'll reshoot this. Maybe I'll just give you the ambiance of 80-degree weather Fahrenheit in February in Texas. Anyways, I diverse. Okay, we'll get back to it. So what we've done is we've found, I've got a buddy down here in Texas. I know you guys, you know, like me, being sociable with people. Yeah, I know, right? We've got a bike that needs a refresh, a rebranding, an upgrade, a makeover, a remodel. So what we're gonna do right now is I will show you the bike, and we'll go through it. Mind you, I'm a little cramped, so it's gonna be like a little in and out, little weird. I'll give you the updates that the bike has on it right now, and then you guys can give me what you think we should do, and then I will let you know what I've got here and the plans that Dave and I have kind of gone through to say, hey, this is what we're gonna do with this bike, because I've got tons of parts, tons of takeoffs down here from when I was racing. And the nice thing about Ducati, the 899s, 959s, 1199s, 1299s, a lot of those parts are interchangeable with the new V2s. So it's incredible the amount of stuff that I have sitting in bins here in Texas, because I was going to do some track days with the 1199, and now I don't know if I'm going to do that or not, because I love that bike, and it's just, if it goes down, I don't know if I want to do that. Anyway, so I'll show you the bike. We'll do a montage going around it, and then we'll go from there. So stick around. Here we go. Okay, so there's the Raptor, and then I will show you the bike. Yeah, so she's pretty, not pretty. It is a 2021, 2020, 2022. They're all the same. V2 Panigale. Now, this one has a few upgrades. As you can see, he's put a TTX on it, so that's a nice start. Although we do not have an adjustable ride height bar yet, so that's one thing it's going to need to do. We'll probably do a ride height bar. Now the front end is bone stock. As you see right here, we've got one rear set that's a spider rear set with, you know, foot peg that's not quite spider, I don't think, but anyways, stock gearing, but he's safely wired it. AFM exhaust, I think. What is that? Projects AMF or FM Projects race exhaust. And then a different foot peg on this side, but that doesn't matter. It's had a little love. We're gonna get rid of that because it has marks on it already. But if we're gonna do more track days or racing, that's no bueno. So we got some case covers on the way already. Yeah, it's pretty standard. Some tank grip, that'll come off. The duct tape racing stripe, which will do that. It was raced at CMRA, the Central Motorcycle Road Racing Association, not the Calgary Motorcycle Road Racing Association. It's got a brake lever that's had some love to it, and a RCS 17 with the folding lever that is a little stiff, but it's gonna work, maybe, possibly. So we'll get some upgrades. We've got other ones, not Spider, but they're good. We've got the Ducati bike shifters on this side. The buttons, sorry. Shifter buttons. The GoPro mount. That's obviously, you're gonna have to retrofit that. Thankfully, our boy Kyle has had me machine some stuff that'll work. Taller windshield. You know, that's this one has bigger rotors on it. So we've upgraded. It has some upgraded rotors. Everything else is stock on the front end. Obviously, bigger rotors needs spacers, so we got spacers on there. This has gone down, so the left side ducati switchgear has been replaced with just the OEM stuff, and we do have the crash stuff, but the wiring's ripped out. So we'll see if he wants to see if we can fix the wiring, or if we're just going to buy a new one, or we're just going to leave it here. I believe it has woodcraft bars on it, but again, we're missing some bolts, some miscellaneous stuff. The stomp grip, right? Tech spec, sorry, not stomp grip, tech spec. It's got a Ducati race seat that's, you know, little weathered from the Texas sun. And overall, that is the bike. It does have a belly pan on it for catch can. It's seen better days, so that'll either get replaced or, you know, repaired. It's got a quick shifter. It says GP shifting. So, yeah. Another GoPro mount up here. Oh, what is that? Let's see if we can get in there. A GPS receiver of some sort. That's good. Stock headlight bucket. So we might swap that out. We'll see how that goes. Yeah. So that overall is the bike, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like a stock battery in there. Oh, no, a lithium-ion battery. Okay, so we got a lithium-ion. So we've got some stuff. It's not a bad donor. Or, you know, replica, is that? Oh, that's just the light tape. I don't know, we'll have to check that out. So we'll tear it all apart, see where it goes. And yeah, that's, more duct tape, pinstriping. The stock is, the front end is stock, so there we go. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, I want your opinions. What kind of upgrades should we do to it? What do you think? It's got about 11,000 miles on it. Oh, it's got a cool cap-ish. So, there we go. That's it. Okay, so comment below, like, share, subscribe, give me your thoughts, and yeah, let's do it. And there we have it. A project, something for us to do down here in Texas on my days off. Yeah, days off. That's a rarity, but it's good. I like it. So we'll build that up, get it ready, do some cool stuff. Yeah, please let me know what you guys want to see done to it. What should we do with it? Like, obviously, it's there's going to be a budget constraint on some of the stuff, but what upgrades would you like to see? How in depth would you like us to do it? Do you think we should just do a wham bam thank you job, paint job thing-majigger, some decal kits? Obviously, it needs a little bit of magic, but we'll do something. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Cheers, everyone.